Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today something drastically different from what we usually do. Kane has bought himself a new toy. He's got himself a Devil Forge. He's been watching Big Stacked Casting on YouTube because that's what we do because we're sad and old. I'll put a link to the video down here, or the link to the channel even. So he bought himself a forge just because, well, why not? So yeah, let's go and melt something. So you join us mid-burn. Currently crushing up a lot of cans, throwing it in the furnace. That's the furnace we're talking about, and it's not like we're shy on gas. We've had friends and family saving cans for us, Coke cans, beer cans, anything aluminium really, and we're having a go. We've already had a go actually. That was the result of it. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. I mean, we're going to tip that out of the mould later on and we'll show you. But yeah, we've fashioned some tools. We've got a pouring tool there. We've got a lifting tool for the crucible in and out of the furnace there. A spoon, a stainless steel spoon for the slag, bucket of water, all that sort of good stuff. And let's have a look inside the actual furnace itself. Fire, we like melting things. So I'm going to set the camera up somewhere. I'm going to watch, we'll see what happens, and see what happens when we actually pour it. This will be interesting. Right, so now it's time to skim the slag off the top. So I'm going to step back and zoom in here because it's a bit dodgy. Into my dog food can, because why not? You can see when it comes to things like aluminium cans, it's mainly things like the paint and like the residual contents and things like that that's left inside. It's actually quite a lot of slag on top of that, but if we get a little closer you can actually see just a little bit of molten aluminium there. Okay, so I think it's time to burn a few more cans and then get ready for the pour. Okay, so what we're doing now, we've knocked the gas off, we're just getting ready for a pour. So we're going to scrape the slag off one last time. We've already pre-warmed the old graphite forms there. There's a bucket of water for when the actual molten aluminium inside goes solid. So, like I said, we're just scraping the slag off one last time and then we'll make a pour. There's a label on the other side of the can, by the way. That happened last time with that one. So as we can see, still setting a little bit. It's still not perfect, but give that another few minutes. That'll cool down quite nicely, and that'll be a nice polished bar. And there we are, that bar on the left there, that's the one that we've just poured. So we'll leave that to cool for a little while, we'll pull it out and we'll have a look at it. So we've gone from a pile of used aluminium drinking cans to a bar of solid aluminium. I mean, as you saw then, we just polished up the last little bit on the back. I mean, it's still fairly rough on the top, that's like sandpaper that, as the same around the sides. We'll get to that later, but that is a solid bar of aluminium. That is quite cool, I like that. Well, that was fun, I enjoyed that. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. That was a lot of fun. If you like that, usual sort of good stuff, like, share, comment, subscribe. I swear to God, we're not ripping off Big Stack Casting. It's just a bit of fun. But yeah, I will leave a link to other things like Big Stack Casting down in the description, like I said earlier. You see my Instagram on screen now. And like, share, comment, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly did. I will see you in the next one.